In this video, I would like to show you how you can introduce yourself to the course community. First of all, why should you even introduce yourself to the course community? Well, for me as an instructor, and of course also for all the other students in this course, it always means the world to us if we get to know each other. So for me personally, it's great because then I know a little bit about you, but also of course for the other students because they might see you and think, all right, this person has the same struggles as I have. So how exactly can you introduce yourself to the course community? Well, after you watch this video, just head over to the right top corner, click on Go to Dashboard, and when you're in your dashboard, click on Q&A. In the so-called Udemy Q&A section, there's a little white box. Normally there, you can ask me questions, but this time I don't want you to ask me a question, but rather to answer a question. And that is, why are you taking this course? What is your goal? Where do you want to be in, let's say, 12 months' time? So alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other in the Udemy Q&A section.